Hello everyone. So today in this class we are going to discuss about this toxicity level. Okay, category of insecticides based on toxicity. So you see, basically some terms are there you should know before going into this table. Those are your oral LD50 and dermal LD50. Okay, I hope all of you know what is this LD50. Yes or no? What is LD50? Amount of toxicant required to kill 50% of the test population. That means milligram of insecticide required to kill 50% of the test population having this much kg of body weight is what your LD50. Okay. So now coming to what is oral and what is dermal. Yes or no? What do you mean by oral LD50? Amount of toxicant required to be ingested or to be fed upon by the test animal, which will kill 50% of the test animal. That is what your oral. That means that will be consumed. What is dermal? Amount of toxicant required to kill 50% of the test population that will enter through the skin of the target organism or target animal is known as what your dermal LD50 value. So here you can see for specific table, okay, the value of oral is less and the value of dermal is more. This is general things, yes or no? You see, if surf is there, you are touching the surf, anyhow some effect may be there. Suppose insecticide you are applying in the field, some effect is definitely, some effects are there on your body, on your health as you are touching the insecticide. But if you consume, it will be more harmful. That means at the same level of toxicity, if you consume something, some insecticide, okay, less amount is sufficient to cause damage as compared to the dermal one that will be entered through the skin. That means if you consume that one, it will be more effective, it will be more toxic, it will be more lethal. Okay, understood what is oral and what is dermal? Now coming to old data. Okay, this is the old classification. New one is also there in the next slide. So first, you see 4 categories are there. What are those? Extremely toxic, highly toxic, moderately toxic and slightly toxic. Okay, so now coming to, suppose you are having some insecticides. Okay, this is older data no doubt, but still you see, suppose you are having some insecticide and such kind of your marks are there placed over those insecticides. So how to know which level of toxicity is there inside that container, inside that insecticide formulation? Suppose an insecticide is there that is extremely toxic. Okay, so what will be the color of level? What will be the level color? That is your red color. Here you can see that is your red color. Okay, and oral LD50, that means 1 to 50. You see, that means extremely toxic means their LD50 value will be 1 to 50 milligram per kg of body weight of the target organism. That is sufficient to kill 50% of test population. This much dose is sufficient. But if that will be entered through the skin, then some higher dose is required. That is your 1 to 200. Okay. Similarly, coming to highly toxic, the second one. Okay, highly toxic. You see, color is yellow. Oral LD50 value is your 51 to 500 and dermal is somewhat more, that is your 201 to 2000. Similarly, moderately toxic, that one you see, that is your blue color. Okay, and your oral LD50 value is 501 to 5000 and dermal is your 2001 to 20,000. Okay, this is for your moderately toxic. Slightly toxic means green in color, more than 5000 oral LD50 value and more than 20,000 is your dermal LD50 value, that is green. One more thing you have to remember here, that in case of extremely toxic, one skull mark will be there and danger will be written. In case of highly toxic, yellow color and poison will be written. Moderately toxic, that is your blue color, poison will be written. Slightly toxic, that is your green in color and caution names will be written over the marks. Okay, So I hope you understood the older data. Now coming to the new data. Okay, now coming to this new data, here you can see same things. Okay, the concept is same, just it is more deeply classified. As so many number of insecticides are developed with varying number or varying type of insecticide having different kind of LD50 value. That's why it is more specifically classified. Okay, that is your new data. You see here what is happening in case of, you see in that slide what was happening. 4 categories were there. You see 4 categories were there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But now you see what is happening here. Here some more categories are there, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now one more category has been added. Now coming to the category of extremely toxic. Same, that is red color. Here oral LD50 is 1 to 50 and dermal is 1 to 200. This is same. Okay. What is the tag in that? Here what will be the tag? You see that will be written as keep out of the reach of children. Okay. This tag will be there. If swallowed or if symptoms of poisoning occur, call physician immediately. These tags will be there over those insecticide container. What is the symbol and signal? Skull and cross bones will be there. Fatal poison will be printed both in red color. Both the skull and the fatal poison will be printed over the container in red color. So these are the identification feature of extremely toxic insecticide. Now coming to your highly toxic. You see color is orange. Oral LD50 value is 51 to 500. Dermal LD50 value is 201 to 1000. What is the tag? Same here. Keep out of the reach of children. If swallowed, if symptoms of poisoning occur, again call the physicians immediately. Same tag will be there, but you see the symbol and signal word are different. Here also skull will be there, but with crossbones printed in red, but the word poison will be written over there. Okay, that also in the red color. Okay, in case of extremely, that is fatal poison, but in case of this highly toxic, it will be only poison. Okay, now coming to the third category, moderately toxic. Okay, the color is yellow. Oral LD50 is 501 to 1000. Dermal is 1001 to 1500. Here the tag will be keep out of the reach of children, and your symbol will be poison printed in red. Only poison will be written there in red color. Coming to the next category, that is your slightly toxic, that is blue in color. Okay, 1001 to 5000. Oral LD50 value. Dermal LD50 value is 1501 to 2000. Here also tag is same, keep out of the reach of children. Here only danger will be written. Last one is your unlikely toxic, that is green in color, more than 5000. Then this is your more than 2000, same, keep out of the reach of children, and caution will be written. So here you see now the trend. In the last video I have asked you what is the relationship between your toxicity and LD50 value. What is the relation? You see now, as the toxicity is reducing, here you can see, as the toxicity is reducing, like extremely to slightly toxic, you see the LD50 value is, what is happening? Increasing. Yes or no? The LD50 value is increasing. It may be dermal or it may be oral, but the LD50 value is increasing. Okay. Similarly, the new data you see, as the toxicity is decreasing, extremely, then highly toxic, then more, you see the toxicity is decreasing, but the LD50 value is increasing. Yes or no? 50 to 5000, 200 to 2000. Getting my point? So this is what your values. Okay, that means you can easily understand now that, and you have got the proof that as the toxicity increases, LD50 value decreases. As the toxicity decreases, LD50 value will increase. inversely proportional to each other. I hope you understood, and if any kind of doubt is there, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.